Jordan Wilkerson is tracking all of this as well. Let's get it down to you, Jordan. What's on your radar?
Oh man, there is a lot, right? Because this is a huge storm, and like you said, Steve, it is basically stationary, not really moving much. And I want to just show you how strong and impactful winds can extend. So hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 miles. Tropical storm force winds can extend out upwards of 140 miles. So just because, Florida is not being touched necessarily by it, a couple bands are hitting it, they're still getting in on some of those very strong tropical storm force winds. And of course the Bahamas, we're just thinking of everyone involved, so hoping everyone else is going to be okay. But here's a look at the track. So still a Category 5, very, very strong destructive storm, west at 1 mile per hour, as Steve said, 165 mile per hour sustained winds. At one point yesterday, it was up to 185 miles per hour. Sustained winds with gusts up to 220 miles per hour. Thankfully, it has gone down a little bit, but are they really going to notice a difference of 20 miles per hour? This is still very, very dangerous. It does look like it's still going to creep towards the eastern coast of Florida, and it could potentially make landfall. You can't really just necessarily follow the center track. It could be anywhere within that cone, so we'll watch it, but it does look like it wants to hug the southeastern coast of the United States, and it will eventually begin to weaken a little bit with some of that friction of the land, but also with that wind shear that they're expecting as well. So that would be good news, but still Category 3 is a major, very dangerous hurricane. Rain totals, Northwest Bahamas, anywhere from 12 to 24 inches with isolated spots of 30 inches. The Florida-Georgia coastline, anywhere from 4 to 8 inches, isolated spots of 10. And again, this could change as the track changes. And coastal Carolinas, anywhere from 5 to 10 inches with isolated areas of 15 inches of rain. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.
That's just devastating. All right. Thanks, Jordan. We'll keep watching.